Hey guys, so recently I reached out to a company named Plazma Lighter. That's Plazma Lighter. Now this is a lighter that I saw on Facebook on my news feed, and because I've always kind of wanted to check out other products than just 3D printers and stuff like that. So whenever I saw it, I thought I'll just reach out to them and see if maybe I can get in connection with them and maybe see about doing a review for them. And that was over a year ago. The other day I received a message from them saying, "We never saw your message. We really apologize. Would you still be interested?" I'm like, of course I'd be interested. I'd love to give it a shot. Now what interested me about this, because I take trips going to Yosemite and places like that, I would like to take something with me that just in case of an emergency I could start a fire. If I wanted to camp overnight somewhere, I could start a fire. Rather than to take a box of matches and leave it in the trunk of the car and take that kind of a chance. I'd like something that's a little bit safer. The other thing is that with a electric lighter, the cool thing is it's safe on the environment as far as you don't have to worry about butane being released into the atmosphere. So when they reached out to me to ask me if I was still interested, of course I was. So they asked me which one I would be interested in. So the one I chose was called the Black Ops. Now let me just go on my cell phone here real quick and just go over the specs, kind of go over the details of this. Now, of course, it's an electric lighter, meaning that it recharges. It uses a dual cross beam that reaches 900 degrees Fahrenheit to create the heat in order to start the fire. It's not affected by wind, it's not affected by rain. At the same time, it doesn't say whether it's weatherproof, so that's something I'm not going to test today. Uses zero butane. It recharges via USB within 30 minutes. That is really cool. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and it has a 30-day return policy. So that's a pretty good set of instructions right there. So given that, let's go ahead and open the box and see what we've got. This just arrived about 2 hours ago. I got the notification from the post office saying it had arrived. There we go. So when we open up the box, we find some bubble wrap around a metal tin. Now that's pretty cool. Model X by Plazma Lighter. Since 2016 is when the company started. It says, "Say hello to the most insanely awesome lighter in the world." Let's check it out. Now I love metal cans. That's one thing I'm a sucker for. Okay, so we have the lighter right here. See if it'll stand up. Nope, it won't, so I'll just lay it down for the moment. Now, let's see what's beyond the top there. We have a little card here. It says, "Thank you for purchasing the Plazma Lighter. Here is some info to get you started. Your plasma is fully charged. Fully charged, it lasts roughly 140 to 200 light ignites." That's pretty cool. Plasma lighters take about 2 hours to fully recharge. The website said 30 minutes. Maybe that's just to reach a point, but it says 2 hours to fully charge. Okay, it says the input voltage is 5 volts. Maximum igniting current is 2.5 amps. They can be charged by computer or any other power source that has a micro USB port. That's cool. Safety warnings. Keep out of the reach of children. Do not put the lighter into any liquid, so that's not weatherproof. Do not directly touch the arc with any part of your body. That's a good rule of thumb. Do not use the arc to cause bodily harm, so don't play with it. Do not expose to temperatures above 50 C, which is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now, I'm trying to see if this comes, there we go. That comes out. Okay, so inside the can we have a charging cord. It's approximately 3 feet long, maybe just under. A USB to micro USB, same as what my Samsung cell phone takes. And it's got a little brush here, I'm guessing for cleaning the contacts and stuff. Okay, so the lighter itself, like I said earlier, this is a Black Ops Black. It's kind of a matte finish. It says Plasma on it. And there it opens up, and when you open it up, the light comes on. And I'm guessing that's the button to fire it. Oh, wow. That is cool. I expected it to spark. I didn't expect it to just make a hissing noise. I did not expect that. That is cool. Okay, so now that we've went through the unboxing process and we've seen the lighter actually works, as far as now what we want to do is we want to see if it'll actually work in a real life situation. Now what I'm about to do here is purely for entertainment. It's not endorsing lighting stuff on fire and all that. I'm just mainly doing it for your entertainment as well as my knowledge whether or not something like this can actually light things up. Now one thing in particular, whenever I'm live streaming during the wintertime, I like to use the kerosene heater. This is the part that fits in the body of the heater. So I'm curious, will it actually light it? Now inside here is a tank of kerosene. It's very low. Normally this is up a lot higher. So it's got a low tank to it right now. The wick is damp, so it will accept a flame. Let's see if this works. Key is trying to get close enough. There we go. It lit it. That's pretty cool. I had to get it kind of at an angle to get it going, but it did work. Okay, now that that's out, let's try a napkin. That's a pretty good thing to start a fire with if you're out in the wilderness or whatever. If you can find a little piece of paper. Lit it right off the bat. By the way, that's a cup of water. Next thing is some cardboard. That's another thing you can find pretty easy. Lights it right up. Cool. Now what about if you're wanting to light up like a little twig or something? I found this out in the yard. It should be dry. That will work. Might take a little bit longer to get the actual wood to start. They didn't say what the duty cycle was, so I don't want to continue doing it real long. That's really not what it's meant for. It's meant for just lighting something small up like that, which it does quite well. Let's go ahead and try a leaf while we're at it, huh? By the way, they're right. It's not affected by wind. You can hear a difference in it. But it doesn't blow the plasma flame away. Yeah. I think at a pinch, it would work very well. Now the other thing is, you saw how long I've been playing with this. It's a little more than lukewarm. Contacts are not hot at all. It's no problem at all with it. That's pretty cool. And with it closed up, those contacts are covered up. The switch is deactivated. The light turns off. It's completely safe. That's pretty cool. Now the other thing is too, the charging port is down here at the bottom. So this isn't the cord that came with it. This is the cord, one of my charging cords for my cell phone. Right there at the bottom is a little LED light that lights up, showing that it is charging. So that is pretty cool. Sweet. Well guys, that's going to be my unboxing, a first look at the Plasma Lighter. I think it is a pretty cool little lighter. On their website, they have it listed at $38.99 for the Black Ops. honestly, for a competitive lighter that uses either butane or uses lighter fluid, I think that this is pretty well priced for that price point. I like the safety features on it. When that's closed, it's disabled. When it's open, it's ready to go. The can that came with, the cord and everything, it's perfect. Now, I want to go ahead and finish this out by saying I do not condone smoking. This is not, and to me, it's not being used as something for smoking. This is being used for both camping, and it's going to be used for emergency use only. So it's not something that I condone that. I just want to make that very clear from the get-go. I also don't condone just burning anything. I mainly did that for entertainment and for me to find out what it is capable of doing. But once again, if you are interested in this, please check out their website. I'll put a link to it in the video description, along with a coupon code that they sent for my viewers, which is Jimmy Shaw 10. It saves you a little bit of money off that $38.99. And they did send this to me free of charge. It was provided to the channel free of charge for me to review and to check out and give you my thoughts on. And so far, so good. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you get a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you'll be able to take and purchase merchandise like this from my TeePublic store, or go to the Amazon affiliate and be able to purchase that merchandise from there. Every little bit helps the channel. I sure appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out my Patreon page over here. And if you like to watch my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to like them. Oh yeah, you're going to love them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.